Hello everyone, I'm Romil Albano. Today I'm going to have reaction video about the history of Florence Nightingale. When I saw the video was very inspiring because it's about how she will pursue her dreams on nursing and how she's doing her task to be a good nurse. But before that, you know that Florence Nightingale learned a lot of things during her childhood because his father teach her and Florence Nightingale read a lot of books. Before I thought that being a nurse is just an ordinary job where you just need to take care your patient. But after watching the video about the life of Florence Nightingale, I understand and realize that so many things about my chosen course. Her works are touchable for those who appreciate the essence of nurse. She is admirable for her determination and perseverance to get what she wanted to be a nurse. She spent her entire whole life in serving others. Her bravery and greatness in helping sick and wounded soldiers during the Crimean War is incomparable and unsurpassed. She is well-educated woman. She is a simple woman. No matter how rich she is, no matter what she had. Her concern is still for those people who needs her service. And that's what I have learned. Give my service for those people who needed me in order for them to feel my concern and give importance even we're not related to each other. She is a good model for me to pursue my dreams, and that dreams is to become a registered nurse someday. Those I can see that Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp, is a certified hero for her time. And you know that the hero today is still the hero tomorrow. For us nursing students, her theory is contribution to nursing will help us a lot in guiding our practice and will serve as stepping stone to reach our goal in life, to be an effective nurse who will always be a part of her and his patient life. Thank you.